this one out. These are squeezed in between the dormers. Look at that. I didn't even know you could, I mean, I knew you could fit them there, but I didn't know anybody would actually like do that. That's incredible. It's got the two dormers, the house on top of the house, and this house is covered in solar. Holy glory. A pretty energy efficient car too. The guy is a, oh, look at this. I get my power from the sun. It's got the sign out there. I wonder if they claim they give him a discount with a sign. This house is a mansion. Whoa, the balconies and everything. Man, this guy. I wonder how long this guy's had it for. And there's another car in the driveway. I'm gonna go talk to these guys. That's wild. It's on the back of the house too. Conduits going over the top of the roof. Got this guy. All right, we're gonna talk to him when there's another car in the driveway. I don't know, I mean, maybe that is the owner, I don't know. Take a look.